Hello and welcome to CSAP tutorial for beginners. I am Ajit Srivastava and this is part 12 where we will be discussing about do while loop. In last video session we have discussed about while loop. So if you haven't gone through, I would strongly recommend you to do so. So today we'll be basically seeing what is do while loop, what is its syntax. We'll just write a sample program using do while loop. Then we'll see what is the difference between while and do while loop and which one to use when. Okay, so with that let's directly jump to coding. So if you'll see, this is a while loop program which we discussed in last session. So the only difference between while and do while loop is this. If you'll see, let me just write that. So it will always start with do, okay, and while loop it will come here. That's it. So this is your do while loop. So if you'll see, do comes first and while later, that's why this is called as do while loop. Okay, within the brace, this is your body part. Okay, so whenever this condition evaluates to true, it will execute this. So let's do a dry run. What this program will do is, as and when you will run, it will ask for a number. Okay, since console will be giving you a string, we are trying to convert into an integer. Okay, and that integer will be stored here. So let's say the value that we entered is 3. What we are doing is, we are initializing this I value to 0. So now our value is 3, I is 0. It will come to this part, it will directly print I. So I is currently 0, so it will print 0. Then we are saying I plus plus. So now I becomes 1. Okay, now we'll be checking whether 1 is lesser than or equals to 3, which is true. This loop will execute till this condition evaluates to true. Okay, so currently 1 is lesser than 3, which is true. So again it will try to print 1. Okay, now your I will become 2, whether 2 is lesser than or equal to 3, true. Again it will try to print 2. Now your I will become 3, 3 is lesser than or equal to 3, true. So console.writeLine will print 3. Now I will become 4, so whether 4 is lesser than or equal to 3, false. So in that case it will come out. So you can simply understand do while loop as do this statement or perform this statement while this statement is true. This is your do while loop, right? So if you'll basically see here, as and when it comes to this block for the first time, we are not doing any comparison, right? That means a do while loop, it guarantees you that this block will get executed at least once, right? So since there is no comparison we are doing initially, so it guarantees that do while loop will get executed at least once, which was not in the case of while, because as and when while starts, we first compare the condition whether it evaluates to true or not. So in that way it will never execute your body part, but that is not the case in do while loop. Whatever the condition it is, it will always execute at least once, and based on your condition it will execute next. Okay, so let me just run this. Please enter a number. I am entering 5, right? So you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 all are getting printed, right? But let's say, let me run once again. Here I am entering -3, enter. Still you can see at least once it is printing 0, right? That is why, so you can see I entered -3, right? So I is lesser than -3. This condition executed after it at least executed this block. So that is why in do while the body part or the loop part will at least execute once, doesn't matter whatever the condition it is. Okay, so this is the syntax of do while. Do your body while condition, right? And then condition has to evaluate to true or false. Okay, so this is the program just now we saw. Okay, so we are simply taking the number, we are reading from the console and converting into integer. Then we are having a do while loop where we are printing it. So this piece of code will get executed at least once, and then we'll do the condition check. If this condition checks evaluates to true, it will again try to print this body, otherwise it will come out of the loop. Okay, so what is the basic difference between while and do while? So if you'll see, while loop checks for the condition first. So as and when it comes to while loop, right, condition is mentioned there, so it will try to execute the condition, it will try to evaluate the condition, and it will execute the body of the while loop only when if that condition evaluates to true. Otherwise it will never execute the body of your while loop, not even once. But in do while loop, it will always execute the body part of the do while loop at least once, and after that it will check the condition. If condition is false, it will come out. If condition evaluates to true, it will again go to the body part and it will try to execute the body, right? So in do while loop, it will always execute the body at least once, right? So this is the main difference between while and do while loop. So the question arises, which one to use when? So basically, if your scenario is like you want to execute a certain block of code at least once, then you should go for do while. Otherwise there is no difference, right? If you have any question, please comments. I'll try to answer those comments, and please do like, subscribe and share these videos. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a